Welcome back to Calculus 1, where we will be, today we'll be reviewing the special derivatives that come with calculus and that have to be memorizing or not easily derivable through regular derivative rules. And I think the best way to practice this is by doing them in practice. So we'll start with number 1, and we're trying to find the derivative of each. So the first one is the product rule, and I believe all the ones I put here are the product rule. So it's just going to be g prime times f plus f prime times g. So it's going to be f prime of x is equal to, well, the derivative of 1, and the derivative of ln of x, if we look back up here, we said is 1 over x. And then cotangent, then we'll just multiply by cotangent, right, of x, plus, then derivative of cotangent of x, which is negative cosecant squared of x, which is shown right here. So it's going to be negative cosecant squared of x times ln of x. And that is the first one, and that's a great use of the product rule. All right, let's move on to number 2. So g of x equals sine inverse of x times cosine inverse of x. We're trying to take the derivative. So we'll use the product rule. So the sine inverse of x is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So we'll start with that. Then we're going to multiply it by cosine inverse of x. And then we will add the derivative of the cosine inverse of x, which is the negative of sine inverse of x, as you can see right here. And then we'll multiply by sine inverse of x. So it's just going to be negative sine inverse of x divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. All right, and that's a great application of the product rule. And then last but not least, we have number 3, when we're given h of x equals cosecant of x times tangent inverse of x, and we have to take the derivative of it. So it's going to be h prime of x, and the derivative of cosecant of x is a negative cosecant of x times cotangent of x. So negative cosecant of x, cotangent of x, times tangent inverse of x, and then we'll just take the derivative of tangent inverse, and that will be it. And it's 1 over 1 plus x squared. Did I write it down? Yes, I did. And then it's going to be cosecant of x divided by 1 plus x squared. So today we learned about the special derivative rules, and we used them in practice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.